Okay. So I've been thinking, why do I seem to always struggle with the fact that this planet is spinning under me, yet I don't feel the ground at all. Not too much of it. I find myself floating. I'm off the walls. But yet there's this understanding that with every shade of blue, there's beauty in the colors, even the ones that are old and new. I find an understanding that art is all around. There are mountains that sing to us, and grass blades that make you want to frown. Regardless of all that, regardless of the sunshine, I dip my toes in the ocean, and as I hear the waves, I realize that maybe, just maybe, I will rise again into the clouds and the light and the moon, and just allow the stars to cover me. I play hopscotch with Jupiter and wave to Mars. Mother Earth looks so lovely. As I smile at her, I realize I'm home in a much bigger way now. For now that I noticed, now that I've seen, now that I've been able to appreciate every last thing, I find power in the growing of each blade grass as it covers my feet, and I just laugh. I laugh so proudly. It's so beautiful to finally see that under me, Mother Earth turns ever so slightly. And I'm skipping down as each blade of grass touches my toes and hugs each crevice of my being. As I simply lay there, placing my forehead on the ground, I look up. And I see the clouds, and it's amazing. And I feel great to see the clouds. The wonderful, beautiful clouds. Oh, I see the clouds. I see the clouds. I see the clouds all around me. Ooh, I see the clouds. I see the clouds around me. All of the oceans and all of the seas, all of the beautiful lakes and trees. I see how wonderful life can be. You and me, we are here on this this earth, and we know the rain is coming down, for we wake and we know the rain is coming down, for we wake and we know the rain is coming down, for we wake and we know the rain is coming down, 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 the rain is coming down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The rain is coming down. 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 Rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. I love after a good cry, you sound unnatally, get a little roughness to your voice. At least I find that very interesting. All else to say is thank you for tuning in and allowing me to share this part of my journey with y'all. It makes me so happy to see your comments. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe, because it really does support my channel and it makes me so happy to continue sharing this amazing space with y'all. And may today bring forth a newness, a knowing, a form of inspiration. And as I've been filming a visual for it, I'm constantly listening to The Rain is Coming Down, a poem that I wrote during last year in the midst of the pandemic. And as I was listening to every word that I spoke and sang, I was kind of taken aback by so much memories and feelings and emotions that I had overcome and was going through at that time. And even now, as the clouds are puffy and gray, and I have to remind myself to be gentle with myself throughout this time, as the planets align in Mercury retrograde. And I'm still learning about astrology and the planets alignment. The emotions have been definitely heavy lately, and not even for myself, but I feel for the collective. But it's also been a very creative outlet for me. I've been in constant flow of creation, and it's kind of this roller coaster of a ride, because I'm reading something or I'm hearing something or I'm engaging with some type of information, and I just absorb it in such a different frequency that it's like, okay, now I'm going to create something out of that information, I guess I would say. And it's kind of just like a ricochet back and forth of giving, receiving, and I'm like, whoa. I'm again reminded of just the contrast between life. They say change is constant, and as each moment passes, I try to regain faith and strength, knowing that change is a continuous journey, and it's providing me lessons that I need to embrace and understand and rediscover that part of me, or to heal that part of me, or to forgive that part of me, which is super important. And I am very thankful that I'm allowing myself these moments, because it's definitely been a challenge in past times. And all that to say that this poem, "The Rain is Coming Down," is a beautiful part of my journey into self-love. May y'all be able to embrace the journey that you're on currently, and know that you do have the choice and the strength and the trust to continue forth, regardless of the moments that seem that it is a whirlwind of rain and tears. I believe in you. I honor you. I accept you. I trust you. And may you allow all the tears and all the rain come down. The rain is coming down. The rain. And just remember how freaking beautiful you are in this moment. Just to be able to pause and breathe in the goodness. It has been hard. It sucks at times. But in those muddy, difficult moments, you find so much strength in who you are. And look at you. You're here now. Even if you're just lying in bed, you're still here. And you're working towards finding all the awesomeness that's you. To stand on your toes and then on your feet. I believe in you. Peace and love, everyone. So, hair update. I'm trying to grow all this back. It's gonna take a long time. My bangs are no longer bangs anymore. My roots are approaching a nice decline. And my hair is different shade than I was born with. It's definitely an interesting hair day. Thanks for watching. The Olivia Nicole story is brought to you by the one and only Olivia Nicole Hernandez. It's a pleasure to have you here. Take a seat, grab some popcorn, get some water. H2O is super important. And I'll see you next time.